G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Trigonometry 1. Now then, trigonometry lets us work out the lengths of sides and the size of angles in a right angled triangle. Because all of them are in proportion, if you hold the angle the same, we're allowed to do this using the trigonometrical formula. Now it's quite a large process. The first step to doing this is recognising which sides we have and which sides we are working with compared to the angle in question. Now then, the important part to remember when we're starting off any trigonometry question is we're working out our sides compared to the angle that we've got. Now if you look at the top triangle here, I'm going to think about this angle here. Now we're going to call this theta. That could be new to some people. Now theta is a Greek letter and we use it in maths for an unknown angle. So it's nothing to be scared of. If you see a theta somewhere, all we're doing is saying there's an angle there that we're working with. Could well find out what it is at some point. That's coming out in the later trigonometry lessons. Right then, compared to this angle, we've got three sides on this triangle. We've got the opposite side to the angle. We call this opposite and shorten it to OPP. Op. Because it's quite a large word to write, we shorten that one. Now then, the longest side on the triangle, you can recognise that it's this one here because it's the other side to the right angle. Special name for this, we call this the hypotenuse. It's the longest side on the triangle. We'll shorten this normally to HYP, hype. And then the third side that we don't know is next to the angle. Now we've got a special word for next to, that's adjacent. And we shorten that normally to ADJ, adj, for adjacent. Now then, I can, if I want to, think of the angle at the top if you look at the second triangle. Now then, if we don't know this angle here, our sides do change around. First one, the hypotenuse, and I'm just going to change colours to make this obvious. The hypotenuse will stay in the same place. It's still the other side to the right angle, longest side on the triangle, but the opposite to the angle we're thinking of, OPP, changes sides there because it's opposite to the angle at the top rather than the angle at the right, which leaves us with our last side. That's got to be the adjacent. Because it's adjacent, it's next to our angle there. When we're getting on in trigonometry, we will need to be able to do this correctly every time, but it's alright guys, you get used to it with a little piece of practice. It's just about comparing to which angle we're considering. Thank you ladies and gentlemen, enjoy your worksheet, have a good day.